And this is the new Garmin TXI 7-inch display. This is shown in the R44, and you'll see it's a multifunction display. You can zoom in and out, and if you want to switch to you got your PFD, where you got a great big VSI. They took out the VSI. It's hard to see here, but there is no VSI on the panel anymore, but they were able to fit this into an 8-hole panel. And you got your airspeed, you got your direction, you got your altitude, and vertical speeds here permanently on both displays. So, and then underneath here you can put your Garmin 650, and really, really nice. So,